welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it's gonna be a little bit different from my other videos, but I wanted to do a pack with me video. I'm going to be going out of town in a few days, so I just wanted to come on here and show you guys how I pack. So this is my suitcase that I got. I got it from Target. I was looking for some new luggage because literally all my old luggage broke. Got this from Target like 2 weeks ago, and y'all, it takes me literally like 3 weeks to a month to pack when I'm going on vacation. But this is a 26-inch suitcase. Okay guys, so what I like most about this type of suitcase is that it has 2 sides to put your stuff on. Okay, so how I pack for vacation, I like to separate my daytime clothes and then I have nighttime clothes. So I split it up. Everything that I'm going to be wearing during the day over here on this side. So I got some cover-ups over here. I got my swimsuits over here. Whatever type of other outfits I'm gonna be wearing during the day, like a pair of shorts, basically everything for that. And I also have my makeup bag, which I'm gonna show you guys when I'm done showing you this suitcase. This section over here where, and keep in mind, sorry y'all, I'm doing this with one hand, but the mosquitoes really get me when I'm down there. So I'm going to Jamaica. I'm getting some wipes, and I also have some spray because they get me. I'm telling you, like, I don't even know that they're biting me. So I got some sunscreen, and then I got some actual spray. And I like to keep it in a Ziploc bag in case it bursts open or anything. And then I like to put it in this compartment over here just for that extra security in case it bursts or anything like that. So any type of other liquids that I'm going to keep in this, I'm going to put it over here. And then over here I packed, so over here, sorry y'all, the phone ring. So over here I kind of have like my nighttime stuff, sleepwear, dresses, all my bras and underwear are gonna be over here. And then I have my sun hat, and I saw a video on how to keep your sun hat from getting flat. So you put it in your suitcase this way, and then you put something inside of it, and then you just pack around it, so that way it won't get flat and floppy. So that's what I'm doing here. Got my other stuff over there. Yeah y'all, I got my dresses and stuff here, but I like that it has 2 sides, which made it so much easier for how I pack, because I like to pack my daytime stuff and then I like to pack whatever I'm wearing for the night. So I'm going to be there for 6 days and 5 nights. 6 days, 5 nights. So I packed 5 daytime outfits and I packed 5 nighttime outfits, and then I put a little extra in there just in case, because you never know. And I got some extra swimsuits over here. So let me show you guys how I pack my jewelry. This is my jewelry in here. This is all of my toiletries in here. I'm going to show you guys how I pack that. Okay y'all, so I'm going to start with my toiletries bag. This is the toiletries bag, and I found this on Amazon. Amazon be having everything, but I saw Gabe do her video on she did a pack with me too. So is my Clorox wipe. I have to have wipes. You just don't know how thorough things are cleaned. Hotels, planes, all that. So I got some wipes. This one will be for the room, and then I have another one for the plane. So that's my toothbrush. I got more bug repellent wipes, and then these are my makeup removing wipes over here. This is my jewelry bag. So small, so compact, so convenient. But what I like about this bag and the toiletry bag is that I literally can just hang it up in the closet when I get to the resort. Here I just got some earrings. I got some of my tongue rings, some rings, earrings. I put my necklaces in here, more earrings, and then there's some more earrings down here, and then I got some bracelets down here. Let's move on to my makeup bag. My makeup bag, this right here, I got this from Amazon as well, y'all. This was $19.99, and then the price dropped to like $17. So they had different colors and different designs and stuff, but I just wanted to stick with black. So you got this, and what I really like is it has all these different compartments. So you can put your makeup brushes up here, which I've done. And I'm literally gonna be leaving in 2 days, so I am pretty much packed. I gotta put a few more things in there, but I'm done. And then over here is where I put my eyeshadow. So my eyeshadows are over here. I have two. I'm not gonna take that much stuff. I got some eyelashes. My eyelashes, let me show y'all. But I have here my primer, Fenty Beauty. Oh my gosh, y'all, smells so good. Then I got this Fenty Beauty foundation. I'm 360 like Rihanna, but I got my concealer in here, mascara, I got some blush, and then here I have my setting spray. I got some of my highlighter, my lip stuff. I have these. I got my banana setting powder. Yeah, so I'm trying to keep it, you know, nice and light, but everything that I have, I'm keeping it in here. Okay, y'all, so for this particular trip, I'm being so extra, but this is the suitcase that I'm going to take on my plane. That's gonna be my check luggage, but I'm gonna go ahead really quickly and show y'all what I'm gonna be packing in here. All right, y'all, so I have some flip-flops that I'm going to be taking, you know, like for the beach, and just, you know, just to lounge around in. Of course, I'm going to organize this a little bit more better, but when I first started packing, I was just throwing stuff in here just to have it in the suitcase so it wouldn't get misplaced or anything. Now, these particular shoes right here, these are some water shoes. I found these on Amazon, and I'm going to be taking these. Hopefully, we can go to Mystic Mountain. I'm going to be taking these, you know, like for zip lining. You can walk on the beach with these. You can walk around in the water with these. You don't have to worry about stepping on sea urchins or anything like that. So I got these, and they come in a variety of different colors. This I got from Rainbow. This I got from Amazon to go with my outfits. And then I got this white purse. I think I got this from Charlotte Russe a few years ago. I got this little purse right here. These flip-flops I got from Fashion Nova, and then these shoes I got from Shoe Carnival. So yeah, I'm not taking too many pairs of shoes because literally I'm gonna be wearing these like 3 of the nights that I'm there, and probably those the rest of the night. But I just wanted to give y'all kind of like an idea of how I'm going to be packing my luggage that I'm taking on the plane. Now let's get into this right here. Now this is a bag, not to sound bougie or anything like that. Hold on, y'all, let me get back to my other position. Okay, y'all, so like I was saying, and I'm taking these 2 different suitcases because I don't want to be over. I don't want to pay for the overage, and in case I want to buy some more stuff, I want to have room to bring it back. But let's talk about this bag. Now this bag, I looked it up. I just went on Amazon. I looked up bathtub covers, but y'all know that sometimes when they clean the bathtubs in hotels and resorts, they don't clean them 100%, right? I just always, when I take a bath, I always feel some type of way. And when I go to hotels here in the States, I always find myself taking Clorox. I buy some extra towels and I get down in there and clean. But I don't want to take bleach and all that type of stuff over there, you know what I'm saying? So I take this. I used it before in a different hotel here. So you just open it up, you spread it out inside the tub, and if I can and put the footage in, I will try if I remember to, but you just put it in the tub, fill it up, and you get in here, and you're in this, you're not in the tub, because nothing grosses me out more than sitting in the tub and finding some hair that's not mine floating around in there. You know what I'm saying? And then this is the book bag that I'm going to be taking. I got this at Target last year, and I like this. Because it has a lot of pockets. It has this. It has a pocket here. So in this, I'm going to be taking this because yes, I spray when I get to the hotel. This is Lysol. I spray when I get to the hotel. I'm gonna spray when I get on the plane. I'm gonna spray my seat. Yep, I will. It has so many pockets in the inside. It has a small pocket here. It has a pocket back here, and it has these little pockets right here. My travel documents are gonna be in this bag, and as well as my laptop and maybe my iPad. I got some hand sanitizer that I'm gonna keep in here. I'm gonna keep that on deck. And whatever else I didn't want to put in my other suitcase, or the smaller one, that's this. I got some of my face moisturizer, this Sol de Janeiro shimmer, smells so good. Some makeup remover. I got some Kleenex wipes in here. I like to put my medicines in a Ziploc bag, so I got some of my nasal spray. You know, I gotta put more medicine in here, but I like to keep it all together, so that's what I like to do right there. I got a first aid kit, gum, because my ears stay popping up on a plane. But I take nasal spray and it's Sudafed because I take it before, maybe like 30 minutes to an hour before we take off, because my ears, I'm congested sometimes, so it helps with the pressure and stuff in my ears. It clears me out. But if I sound like I'm talking real fast, it's because I don't want this video to be extremely long. But oh y'all, I forgot one thing. I found this on Amazon as well. Now this, I got this, I can connect my phone to it, and most of the stuff that I'm mentioning I will link down below in the description box. If you're interested, you can find it on Amazon. But this is a selfie. You put this on here, you can use it with your phone, and there's also a connector to where you can use it with your camera, and you can connect it with the Android, or you can connect it with your iPhone, and you just set it up and you take your pictures. This is good for if you travel alone and you don't have people to take your pictures, or you're not comfortable asking people to take your pictures. You could take this, set them up on your balcony, set them up on the beach, take the pictures yourself. But I also have a phone cover for my iPod, because I don't know what happened to my GoPro. It like just up and disappeared. So I'm also going to be taking this water seals case for my iPhones. You know, like when I get in the pool, if I want to take some pictures in the pool or whatever, I could put my phone in there. You can use it for your touch screen and everything like that. So I'm gonna be putting that all in there. That is pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful to you. I try to put some tips in there. So what I like to do is separate my daytime to the night. That's how I pack it. So it's so much more easier for me. Make sure you take you some wipe, hand sanitizer. When you get on that plane, wipe where you're gonna be sitting there, and you're gonna see, because the turnover for those planes, they're quick. Because if you're waiting for a flight, you'll notice the people, you'll see a plane come in, and then as you're waiting, they're coming off, and like 15 minutes later it's ready for the next flight, and you about to get on that flight. You know they did not have time to clean that plane that fast and wipe down every seat, every armrest, all that stuff. And I see people like literally sleeping on the tray table, and I'm like, you don't know whose face been on there? Like, why? But y'all, I'm talking too much. I'm starting to ramble. Thank you so much for tuning in to my video today. Please like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for some travel videos, travel vlogs. To see pictures, go head over to my Instagram, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. I also forgot to say, in my carry-on, I'm going to be putting an extra outfit in here. It's going to be like a dress, not too much. It's going to be like a dress and a swimsuit, just in case the room isn't ready. I can, you know, throw my swim stuff on and go to the pool. So yeah, I'm going to be putting that in here. All right, bye guys.